We just got another mystery package at bottom of the bin. I can't wait to see what's inside. What do you think might be in here? Y'all have been so nice to me. I don't even know what to think. I'm just so honored that anyone would even send me anything. So thank you so, so much. I'm very excited to see what's in this one. I don't remember any other messages of anyone sending there saying anything, sending anything. So this should be a surprise. Oh, and I can get it open. I mean, the other one was a surprise too because I had no idea what was coming. What? Okay, there's a note. I don't want any private details showing. It's me again. I hope you can sell these items in your store. From Dorothy. Oh, wait, Dorothy, were you the one who sent the first one? Yes, it was. So I had to go back and look. I don't think I ever made a YouTube video, but there was a reel on Facebook and Instagram. So Dorothy was the very first person to send us a mystery package gift. So thank you so much for thinking about us and sending more. My name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop in Tampa Bay, Florida called Bottom of the Bin. Customers can trade in leftover art and craft supplies to get store credit. That way they can shop and get what they want. This way we're able to keep art affordable and accessible for all in our community. But don't worry, if you're not local, we have an eBay shop, which can be found at bottomofthebin.com as well. I got so excited when I saw these because I actually had been looking at these. I saw an advertisement for them and I was like, whoa, I would love to get my hands on these flowers. They're made out of wood for my greeting cards because I love using flowers. Looking at them though, I think they're a little bit too big for what I can use them for, but I know someone in the shop will love these. Oh my gosh, how cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm already so excited. Let's see what else is in this treasure trove. Oh, did you make these out of diamond painting dots? I think she did. I've seen these little wood ornaments at like Dollar Tree, and it looks like she used just little, that one has glitter and rhinestones and probably diamond painting dots to make these. How beautiful. These would look so, so cute on a Christmas tree. Yep, here is some blank ones. People will absolutely love those. And more little wooden snowflakes as well. Now, I know she likes diamond painting because the first bin had a bunch of the tools, but this looks like it's an actual entire kit. So there is some beautiful flowers here. Diamond paintings do really, really well in our shop. And all those little kits that she sent last time with the tool and the little, I don't know what it's called, but like the little, like the gel that you pick up so you can pick up the diamond bits, those sold like crazy. So thank you so, so much. Oh my gosh, there's even more. Why are you so stinking sweet? There's a snowman, and this is, oh, it's a little like potted plant. Thank you. Ooh, there is some stickers as well. Always be humble and kind. Follow your dreams. I love little motivational stickers like this. Take the risk or lose the chance. Ooh, that is like a motto I live by. Throw kindness around like confetti. Do what brings you joy. These are super cute. They're great for card making, scrapbooking, journaling, any of the paper crafts. Oh, is this diamond painting mushrooms? I usually only see diamond painting on canvas. I've seen it on greeting cards too. These are little plastic hanging mushrooms. I didn't even know this existed. What a fun, fun project. Oh my gosh, there's these little guys as well. How adorable. Dream collector bottles for collaging. A collage card. I love little bottles. I actually got, hold on a second, let me show you. I got these little stickers the other day of like just little glass mason jars. I think they're so cute, and I do a lot of stuff with like florals, floral art, watercolor, and this would be really, really fun to use in my journaling, so I might hang on to a couple of those for myself. Ooh, there's also some paint in Tiffany blue and very berry. Honestly, these are my favorite colors. I don't do with much with paint though, so I'll put these up in the shop. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I should treat myself, right? I should keep a couple of things. Definitely my favorite colors. They remind me of cotton candy. There's some really pretty leaves as well, and some little gold and silver bows. Absolutely precious. A ton more painting diamond dots. These ones are really shiny. I love those. We've got some little flat backs. Wow, you guys, I don't even know what to say. What a freaking treat. Someone's going to be so happy to find these. Look at the little Santa chick. How is that so cute? Aww. What do you guys do with these? Let me know in the comments. Very precious. More diamond painting. That one is a flower. And this one, ooh, that looks really pretty. Oh, it's a vase with very pretty purple and pink poppies. Ooh, what's this for? If I had to guess, something to do with sewing, I don't know. You guys will know. My viewers are the smartest people ever. They know what literally everything is. So someone let me know what these are for. The colors are certainly fun. Some more painting, diamond dots. Ooh, we've got little pieces of elastic and thread. Wow, that feels really nice, like a nice quality thread. Fufu's poly wound in the USA. Gorgeous, look at that pink. Absolutely pretty. All of these colors as well. There's that pink and blue again. I don't have a use for these, but I know our customers will absolutely love them. We have some more florals, very pretty. It's like baby's breath, and some branches with leaves. Oh my gosh, thimbles. Okay, I like thimbles, even though I don't sew, for two reasons. One, my grandparents owned an alteration shop, so they did alterations. My grandma was a seamstress, and that reminds me of them. Plus, when I used to play Monopoly when I was a kid, I was always the thimble. That was like my favorite piece. Very cool. A nice little mixed box of all different hobbies. There are some keychains with hooks on them. I'm sure our jewelry makers will love these. Or even you can make purses with them, lanyards, all sorts of fun stuff. Oh, this is about the solo wood flowers. I guess I didn't really know much about them. How to dry solo wood flowers? Do you wet them? Dry on egg trays, dry on rock, dry on paper cups, dry on tray with tissue or parchment or floral foam or styrofoam. Do you color them? Oh, you do. They're meant to be dyed whatever color you want. I actually didn't really know anything about them other than they were flowers made out of wood. They're not wood. They feel like foam. I don't know. I need to do some research. I thought I knew what they were, but wow, that's really cool. The instructions as well. We've got some little thread, and there's thread, a needle, buttons, and a safety pin. So little kits. More of those hook chains, some bells in gold and silver. And paint gem. Is this diamond painting? Oh yeah, it's more of the kits, but these also have little tweezers. Oh, so that's really cool. So these help you pick up the little gems as well. Wait, what's in here? Oh my gosh, this is actually the dye for the wood flowers. There's pink and green, powder pink and dark green. I might have to play with those. I might have to experiment with those. These mystery box openings have been so fun for me. It's like a little mini treasure hunt, and it literally makes my day. So I'm wondering, we've kicked around this idea at our shop before, and we've done some mystery boxes in store, but for our online friends or people who can't make it to Florida, what do you think about mystery boxes? Let me know your thoughts below. Would you want them to be a complete random mix like this? Would you want them themed to a certain, like, maybe holiday or season? Or even more specific, like all yarn, all fabric, all thread. I don't know. I'd love to get your thoughts on that, because I think they would be really fun to put together in like a live stream and then sell them through our website or eBay or something like that. I am so freaking happy. I don't know what I did to deserve such an incredible community that we're building here. Thank you so much, Dorothy, for not only sending us one package, but now two. This is such a great way for the stuff that she didn't want to use to not go to waste. I'll use some and the rest will go in our shop so that people can try new hobbies and get art affordably, get their craft supplies, you know, on a budget. You don't have to break the bank. And of course, you could trade in your leftover supplies for store credit. So come see us in Tampa Bay, Florida. And if you're not local, don't worry, you can still shop with us on eBay. Go to bottomofthebin.com. The link is there, and we've got lots of goodies that we can ship anywhere in the world. Thank you so much, Dorothy, for thinking of us, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!